Everybody, here is a short video on how to get Instagram full screen on your Galaxy Z Fold 2 for the people that can't get good luck in their countries. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on Google and you're going to search for Nice Lock APK. And you're going to download that. Then you're going to go again on Google and you're going to search for an application called Multistar APK. Multistar APK. And you're going to download that. Once you've downloaded both, install Nice Lock and then install Multistar. Once you've installed them, it should look like this. So then you go into Multistar and you go into I Love Galaxy Foldable. And then you're going to go to the first option and turn everything on so everything can get into full screen on your Z Fold 2. Next, you're going to go into the second option and you're going to look for Instagram or whatever application you want to make into full screen on your Z Fold 2. You're going to go into Instagram and you're going to select full screen. So then let me just show you the default option of Instagram. Looks like that. So then when you go into full screen, it will look like that. There you go, people. I hope this helps. Comment in the video and let me know what you think. And if you need any more help, have a good day.